Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you aren't sure what price to set on Vinted. Pricing your item correctly can make the difference between quick sales and even zero views. Maybe you are too high and buyers scroll past, or maybe you are too low and you lose your profit. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually set a price on Vinted, the app or the website, same steps. Let's get started. So as I told you before, if you are using Android or even iOS, go and look for the Vinted app on App Store or Google Play Store. Open it, then log in using your email address and password so you can access your profile from there. As for me right now, I'm gonna go to Vinted.com. I'm basically gonna also use my email address and password to access this. So here I am. You can also go to your profile. Now you will be able to see your listings. Tap sell or edit an existing listing. Then scroll to the price field, then enter your desired amount. Review Vintet's suggested pricing if shown. Then save or upload your listing. As for some tips, you can also check similar sold items for price, basically comparison. Then consider the item's condition and brand value, like for example, if you are selling a Nike or maybe basically let's say a good value brand, you should put like the price a little bit high. As for more pro tips, price slightly above your target so you can accept offers without losing your ideal profit. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.